Had it for a long time.
You're either going to get rid of them or you're going to be on YouTube in 5 minutes.
Do it again. Keep holding your breath and breathe out.
And my hiccups still keep coming through my chest.
You don't want to. You don't give them that space. You just
Deep breath.
And not only do I get one hiccup, I get 2 at a time now.
No.
We're making progress. Almost got it. They've multiplied. They only multiply like 3 times.
No, just hold your breath. Breathe out slowly. God, get rid of this.
Come on. Big deep breath and hold it. Hold it. I'll do this.
He keeps making me laugh. That's made
Don't look at him. Look this way.
Okay.
You just be your
All right,
normal
Brian.
self.
You have to get your mom when she's giving Chris his hiccups advice. She looks like a guppy over there.
You just be your normal self. You just have my life completely.
Come on, you're asking your mom the impossible. Be her normal self. All right, here. I haven't done that in years.
Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out slow. Breathe in. Hold. I don't have hiccups.
Will you shut
It worked
up
for you.
for a minute, please?
See, it worked for her. She did this procedure.
All right.
They might be gone. They might be gone. You're a douchebag, by the way.
Where's my hiccups?
I just want to get rid of them.
All right, get rid of them. Well, yeah.
I'm trying.
The fastest way, honestly, Chris, the fastest way to totally forget about it.
Yeah, you guys should never forget.
Stop taking videos.
We have Brian DePaulo over here, the filmmaker.
Taking videos.
Watch one tonight.
Oh, I love this song.
3 to 1.
Don't turn it up no more. It's too late.
No, 3 to 1.
Put it back down now.
3 to 1.
Well, so do I, but I don't love my neighbors downstairs trying to come through my floor.
You know, I'm just gonna fucking deal with them tonight.
Alright, well then you go knock on their door. Can you bang on my floor this one fucking time?
I'm talking about my fucking hiccups.
Alright.
Well, I thought you were talking about my neighbors.
We got a bag
I want
of silver sign.
A bag of mine. Somebody do something. You guys aren't helping me.
Yeah, look under the sink. There's plenty of
You know what? Fuck, I'm going outside.
No. You know what you do?
No, you'll get arrested for
No, don't.
intoxication.
You know what you do? Look that way for a minute. No.